Hi guys, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to make a little snack. So I'll tell you what you need. You need 2 eggs, a whisk, a fork, a tongue, bread cut into these little pieces, and this is the bread like what should be, salt, oil, and a bowl. So you have to crack both of the eggs. That's a good one. And let's put it over there. It's done. Then, hey, crack. Yep, it doesn't collapse. Come on, crack. Good. So that cracked. Have a tissue to be near you in case your hands get yucky. So you then put it under where you had it. Then get the whisk and mix it. Pop. So we're gonna keep on mixing it until it gets yellow. Okay, it's yellow now. So let's put the bread in. And this third one. Then let's use the tongue. My egg got stuck in the tongue. Let's use the tongue to mix it a bit. And let's turn it over. Oh no, they're getting stuck. So let's just do everything. Turn it around. Then turn this one around again. Let's see if they're all ready. Good. Okay, I guess all of them flipped, so they're all okay. Now let's put it on the pan. So my mum helped me put the pan on. So now it's time to put the oil on. So let's pour some oil. So while the oil's going, let's just get it around the pan. Yeah, that's more better. So we're going to put the bread on now. And let's just get these off and put them on the pan. And put the second. Look, we're going to just put the heat a bit up because they're not cooking. So we're going to let them cook. So if you see the bubbles coming, that means it's cooking. So that means it's good. So let's put it down one. Yeah, now it's going to be proper cooking because when you put it on top, it might burn the bottom. So let's now flip it. Sometimes use the handle because it sometimes gets stuck onto the pan. So if you see, if it gets stuck onto the pan, it might be, it's ready to. Yeah, I'm gonna let this one just stay on the other side because this one didn't cook properly. So, I think we'll just let it. So let's just flip all of them. And that's okay. So we're going to put the heat to 12 again. Come on, heat. Yeah, that's more better. So we're gonna let them cook. Wait for a little bit so they can get proper cooked. I think they're really good cook in 1 minute. So let's just let them get good fry a bit. So let's see the other side. Oh no, you pancake. They're like mini pancakes, but like a bit smaller. Okay, flip over. We need you to flip over. Yes. So if you see, now it's ready. So let's put it on the pan. Not the pan, onto a plate. So if you see, you can put your bread that you made onto a plate. And there's your mini pancakes. So yeah, I'm gonna just call them mini pancakes. So I made a remaining egg. So if you want to see it, look, I made a remaining egg, and if you make it, it's a really simple step. Even kids can do it, because I'm a kid and I'm doing it. So if you like this channel, please like and subscribe and share with other friends. Bye!